1. Create strong passwords.
If it seems too good to be true, then it probably is. Double check.
3. Never give any information away on unsolicited calls, texts, social media posts, or emails. If in doubt, hang up and call the customer service number yourself.
There are no stupid questions. Reach out to friends, family members, or professionals for advice.
5. Dare to question yourself and your own assumptions.
Check multiple sources.
7. Discuss the news on social media platforms within your family and your peers.
Help and advise others where you can.
Take your time to create relationships based on trust. Help your audience to create strong passwords and talk about options like two-step verification and password manager apps. Inform your audience about sensitive topics to increase their general knowledge. This can help in the prevention of fake news. Try to practice digital skills and fact-checking frequently. Always stay respectful and have a questioning approach. Remind the audience you work with that there are no stupid questions. Inform people about privacy online and the privacy settings on social media platforms. Take away the mystery of the internet and take your time to explain the basics. Try to find a balance between empowerment and protection. It's important to highlight the opportunities and the dangers of the online world. Try out intergenerational activities so that youngsters can empower elderly people and vice versa.